Greetings from Prestige Electronics. This is a short demonstration video of Prestige manufactured 4.5 digit winding resistance meter model PE18RL. The instrument is a 1 ampere model, comes with a high open circuit voltage of 32 volts. So for measurement we have connected a transformer on LV side. So we have connected on a transformer. Now we are going to take the measurement. So as you can see, the value is 58.07 milliohms. Now we are going to connect to HV side. We have connected to HV side. So the value is 4.100 ohms. Now we are going to discharge. For any query, please contact manufacturer. Thank you.